Did you know that you can generate full Pact test suites directly inside of your IDE using MCP? In this video, I'll quickly walk you through how to spin up your MCP server, provide relevant context, and how to prompt an agent like Copilot to generate ready-to-commit best practice Pact tests for you automatically. Oh, and by the way, everything I show you here is the same for any agent that supports MCP, the protocol, and also supported directly from our CLI tools, even if you don't have access to an agent. Let's dive in. Firstly, make sure your MCP tools are installed and that the server is running. Open Copilot Agent and switch into agent mode. Drag any contextual files you need in to support the generation of the tests themselves. If you have any test templates or additional instructions, include those as well, as they'll guide the generated test process. And then you can simply ask the agent to use the SmartBear tools to generate the Pact test. Copilot will now analyze the codebase, call SmartBear's generation services, and produce a complete best practice Pact test suite for your consumer. Amazing, it's all done. You can see that Copilot has generated a full set of Pact tests covering all 6 scenarios for the 2 endpoints used by the client. It's confirmed that the tests work by actually running them locally. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you get a full working set of Pact tests, fully aligned with contract testing best practices and tailored to your project structure. Give it a try today on your own workflow and see how quickly you can bootstrap reliable contract tests with SmartBear's MCP and AI tools.